Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today we are going to discuss narration, direct indirect speech. Today our topic is optative sentences. Optative sentences: wish, prayer, curse and bless. In earlier we discussed assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences. Today we are going to discuss optative sentences. First of all, we will discuss the optative sentences, the sentences which are wish, prayer, curse or bless. Okay, which tell us about the wish, prayer, curse or bless. In reporting verb, if says is given, then you will convert says into wish, prayer, bless or curse according to the demand of reporting speech. If said is given, RV is in said is given, then you must change said into wished, prayer, blessed, curse, any one. You will choose any one according to the demand of or according to the demand of reporting speech. Or inverted comma, by replacing inverted comma, that is used. You got it? If in reporting verb says is given, reporting verb is in says, then you will convert says into wish, prayer, bless and curse according to the demand of a reporting speech. If said is given, RV is in said, then you must change into wished or prayer or blessed or curse according to the demand of sentence. You will choose any one. Next, reporting speech. Reporting speech, optative sentences, reporting speech that example is given, like he said to me, may you live long. Okay, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, may you live long. How you will change? First of all, you will check. Okay, RV is in said, he is subject, said to is here reporting verb and me is here object. Then may you live long, it is a prayer or it is a wished. Okay, so you will convert reporting verb into blessed. Said is given, so you will past, reporting verb is in past tense, so you will also write here blessed or wished. Clear? He blessed or wished me, then object, then by replacing inverted comma, that you should use. Okay, he wished me that, then first of all you have to change the pronouns. Pronoun is here you is here second person, and second person we will change we will change according to object. Object is here, that red letters is given, me is here object, so we will convert pronoun you into I. Okay, he blessed or wished me that I may change into might. Okay, then live long. Now reporting indirect speech is here, he said to me, may you live long. Okay, sign of exclamation is given. Okay, if optative sentence is there, then sign of exclamation is given, and you must convert direct speech into indirect speech like this. He wished me that I might live long, and after that you should change optative sentence into assertive sentence, like you have to remove sign of exclamation and you just put full stop. When you will convert direct into indirect speech, you must put just full stop. Now another example is here, he said to me, you live long. Okay, now see it very carefully. He wished me that I might live long. Next example, Ravi said to Prakash, may you go to hell. Okay, this is a may you go to hell. This is a curse, abhishap, बदुआ दी हुई है किसी को. He said to. Now said to is here reporting verb, and according to the demand of reporting speech, here we will convert said to into cursed. Okay, Ravi cursed Prakash By removing comma, we will convert by replacing comma, that is used, conjunction that is used here. Ravi cursed Prakash that. Now first of all, you is here pronoun and it is a second person, and it will convert into Prakash, and Prakash is here he. So in indirect speech, you is convert with the replace with the he. Ravi cursed Prakash that he may change into might. He might go to hell, then put full stop. Okay. Now another example you have to do yourself. Okay, you have to reporting verb according to the demand of reporting speech. Okay. The saint said to him, comma, inverted comma, may you die. Okay, you have to think yourself whether it is a prayer or whether it is a bless or it is a curse. Okay, I hope you got it. The second sentence which I have given to you, you have to do yourself. So I will help now. The saint said to him, may you die. Sign of exclamation is here given, so it's clear that it is a operative sentence. How you have to convert into a assertive sentence? The saint cursed him that he might die. Now another example. He said to me, may God bless you. Okay. Now he prayed. Okay, may God bless you. Here it shows that it is a prayer. Demand of the reporting speech. According to the demand of reporting speech, we will convert reporting verb said to into prayer. He prayed that, okay, God. First of all, subject is here God, so we will bring the God first. Okay, we will write the God first, and after that we will convert may change into might. He prayed that God might bless. Here, then pronoun is here you. You is a second person. Second person change into according to the object. Object is here me, which is written in red letters. Okay, and then you will convert you into me, and we will write in indirect speech, may God might bless me. Okay, he said to Pooja, may God bless you with a son. Okay, it is also again prayer. He prayed that God might bless Pooja with a son. Got it? Now come to the next. He said, good morning Ravi. Okay, here it is a wish according to the demand of reporting speech. Good morning, it shows that it is a wished, so we will convert said into wished. She wished Ravi. Okay, to whom he is wishing? She is wishing to Ravi, so Ravi is here object. You will bring the Ravi ahead. She said she wished Ravi good morning. Got it? Now come to the next. Ravi said good morning sir. Okay, here Ravi is wishing to sir and he is saying good morning. Ravi wished sir, okay, wished the sir. The particular person is there, okay, not anybody else, on particular sir, that, okay, particular person is there, that's why the sir is written here. Ravi said the sir good morning. Now if inverted comma second person is given here, okay, but in reporting verb no object is given, then in such case what you will do? Again I am telling, if in inverted comma or in reporting speech, okay, second person is given, in reporting speech second person is given like you, yours, okay, but in reporting verb no subject is given. Our rule is that if in reporting speech second person is given, then we will convert second person into or according to the subject of or a object of reporting verb. But what would happen if no object is given in reporting verb, or in reporting speech you is given? Then in such case what you will do? How you will change second person into object? Now let's see. He said, may you die. Here in reporting speech you second person is given, red letters, okay, you can see. But in reporting verb no object is given. Then in such case what we will do? How we will change second person? Okay, now see, first of all you have to check whether it is a prayer, whether it is a wish, or it is a curse. It is a curse, so we will convert said into cursed. He cursed that. Till here it is clear. Now how you will change it? You, it means you have to suppose object yourself. He said to me, okay, he said to me. Whether subject is given or not given, you must change second person into object. So you must think yourself, he said to me, okay. Then there is no need to write he said to me, just think, okay. He cursed, okay, don't write here me, just think only to change the second person. So we will convert into me. Me is here object. In subjective form we will convert, bring me as a I, okay. He cursed that I might die. Got it? Very easy. So another sentence I have given, you must do yourself how you will change second person of reporting speech if no object is given in reporting verb, okay. Now come to the next, reporting speech, okay. Just note down, in reporting speech, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good day. Then what you will do? Okay, if reporting speech is in good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good day, then you will convert or you will change reporting verb into wished, okay. But if good night, goodbye, farewell, if reporting verb, okay, in reporting speech good night, goodbye, farewell is given, then you will change reporting verb into bed, B-A-D-E, okay. Let's see how you have to change, okay. Here wish is given, so reporting speech good morning, good evening, good afternoon, okay. Then you will convert reporting verb into wish, and after that you will just write the wish word, that good morning, good evening. Now come to if good night, farewell is given. Good night meant good, when we wish good night, when two persons are going to farewell or departure with each other, okay. One person is going to depart or leave one room and he want to leave that room and he want to sleep, okay. That time we are going to separate one person to another person, okay. We are going to farewell, judai. Kavita said to you good night. Kavita bade, B-A-D-E, bade you good night. It is very easy. Sudha said to her father goodbye. Sudha bade her father goodbye. Now some sentences are given for practice. Teacher said to me, may you get success in life, okay. First of all you have to check, okay, you have to change these sentences into indirect speech, okay, with the help of example which I have told. He said to her neighbor, may you die soon. My father said, may God help you. I said to her, you be happy in your life. It is again prayer or wish. This two subject said long, okay, that any person is wishing for the king. Subjects mean the people, log jo hai, janta. The subject said long live the king. The prime minister said live long our democracy. People said, God save the nation. I said, her soul live in peace. Let's see the solution. The teacher wished that I might get success in life. She cursed her neighbor that he or she, any person, he may be female or no contradiction is here. You can write he or she for neighbor. He may be male or female. He or she might die soon. Here is a that somebody is a curse for, not a wishing or praying his anybody else. किसी को बद्दुआ देना, that is here curse. My friend prayed that God might help me. I wished her that she might be happy in her life. Fifth sentence, the subject prayed that the king might live long. Next sentence, the Prime Minister wished that dear democracy, means not only democracy is not only for Prime Minister, it is our democracy. Plural are here, that's why we'll change Prime Minister with we are also na. Okay, that's why plural sense is here used. Their democracy might live long. People prayed that God might save the nation. And the last one, I prayed that her soul might live long or might in peace. Okay, I hope you got it. You student, you must practice a lot and revise the rules of optative sentence, and I hope you have learned very nicely how you have to change the optative sentence. Thank you. Have a nice day.